In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to a specific message in Slack. If you're new to Slack or just need a quick refresher on how to effectively communicate within a thread, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and make sure you're prepared to engage in focused conversations within your Slack workspace. First things first, you'll need to open Slack. You can either use the Slack desktop app, which you might already have installed on your computer, or simply use your web browser to navigate to the Slack website. Now, once you've got Slack open, it's time to log in. You can do this by entering your email and password. Alternatively, you can log in using your Google or Apple account if you've set that up for easier access. Once logged in, you'll see your Slack dashboard with all the workspaces you're a part of. Next, you'll want to select the workspace where you want to reply to a specific message. Workspaces are essentially different groups or organizations that you belong to within Slack, and each of these will have its own set of channels and message threads. Click on your preferred workspace to access its channels and conversations. Now, it's time to find the message you want to reply to. Navigate through the channels, or use the search function to locate the specific conversation you're interested in. Once you've found the message, hover your mouse over the very end of it. You'll notice several icons appear, and you'll want to look for the message bubble icon labeled Reply in Thread. This icon is your gateway to ensuring your response is neatly tucked away in the appropriate thread. Click on this icon, and a new panel will pop up on the right side of your screen displaying the specific message and any existing thread replies. Here's where you can type in your reply. Take a moment to compose your response, ensuring it's clear and pertains to the message you're replying to. Once you're satisfied with your message, click the Send button. Finally, your reply will appear as a sub-message to the original message. This format keeps your conversations organized and ensures that everyone involved in that particular conversation is notified of your response. It helps maintain a cleaner main chat area and allows for targeted discussions. And there you have it. You've successfully replied to a specific message in Slack. This simple feature helps maintain the flow of conversation and makes it easier for everyone to follow and contribute to discussions. By using threads, you can keep related messages together and stay organized, helping your team and you communicate more effectively. That's it for today's guide, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to practice and explore other Slack features to become a more efficient communicator. See you next time.